Well, hello there, farm fans. The sun's shining for an afternoon before it rains the rest of the week. So we're going to do a tree cutting project today. As you can see, I got the SSV 75 here behind me with our grapple on it. Best thing I ever bought, best attachment I ever bought. Bought it about 8 years ago, and it has paid for itself 10 times over. I've done a lot of tree clearing, and the worst thing about tree clearing is the branches, and this makes it much easier. So, and we got our steel. It is a 036. What do we got on there? We're running our 16-inch bar right now, and we have a 24 that goes on it. We have a newer version of this saw. This one I just grabbed off the shelf. But this particular saw, you can see the cover looks a little bit newer because the string coil and everything had to be replaced. Of course, the bar is not original, but everything else on this saw is original. I bought this saw back when I was 16 years old. So, and we have a lot of traffic on the road today. But so this saw is quite old. I am 36 now, so you can do the math on that. I don't want to. Well, let's take a walk over here and we'll look at some of the stuff we're going to be doing. There's a bunch of trees up here that need to be done. We're not going to do those today because it's supposed to rain all week, but we're going to start with ones that we can clean up. Now, you may be looking at these and wondering to yourself, why in the world is he cutting those down? Well, you probably won't see on the camera. There's quite a bit of dead in it, and there is also some fire blight that has happened, and every year these trees just die a little more and a little more. So let's take a look here. You can see, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see right through the tree? I think you can on camera. There is not much left to the base of that tree, and the other one over there is the same way. I will set you guys up in some different places, and then we're going to just cut them into sections and carry them on out of here because they're apple trees, crab apple trees, and they're not good for anything unless you did like barbecue smoking stuff. Apple wood, I think people use that for smoking for flavor. I don't, so it is what it is. They're rotten, they're out of here. guys, that concludes today's video. You can see behind me I just have some small stuff to sweep up here. Here's the one stump. This tree was in a little better shape than the other one, but this one up here was not good. The center was just hollow and rotten. So alright, like I said, that does it for today's video. I'm going to clean this up and might do a few other things here, but trying to keep the video times a little bit shorter. I will probably do another video when we take those big guys up there down and the one right next to the road. I'll probably do a video taking those down, because we'll have the backhoe going for that too. We'll have 2 machines running for those things, so that'll make a pretty good video. So thanks everybody for watching. Please click the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.